Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the total number of vertices which is present in a square pyramid. So in a square pyramid, the base is a square and all the slant edges which originate from each of the vertices meet at a point which is at a certain distance from the base. So let the point which is at a certain distance from the base be P. So all these slant edges intersect at the point P. So this is the top view of the pyramid. So if we want to draw the side view of the pyramid, then it will be somewhat of this nature. So this is the side view of the pyramid and this is the top view of the pyramid. So let's write the top view and this is the side view, right? So as you can see, in the top view there are 5 vertices, namely A, B, C, D, that is the 4 vertices of the base, and the slant edges which originate from each of the vertices on the base intersect at the point P. So P is also one of the vertices. So therefore in total we have 5 vertices, namely the 4 vertex of the base, and the vertex where all the slant edges intersect each other. Therefore 5 will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.